So this is basically a 10 switch circuit presented in front of you. So this is a 10 switch 2 socket 12 module circuit, and the circuit and power supply which you will be getting with this is like this. So this is a power supply which is an AC unit, and these are two virtual wires, which is a two-way wire. Through two-way you can connect these things. So I'm connecting first neutral phase 1, node 1, node 2, node 3, node 4, node 5, node 6, node 7, node 8, node 9, node 10, and the last one is a phase 2. As this is a two phase power supply, so you can, if you want to operate all switches in a single supply, then you can loop these phases, and these are displayed at the back side, also at the front side. And this is a connector, and through this connector you need to apply on the touch board. So this is a touch board, and through this you need to connect. And talking about the connection of this board, so you need to draw a neutral wire which is at the first end of the circuit, and you need to place it with the screwdriver. So all the connections should be neat, clean, and this is a phase, and with the phase we have looped another wire. If you want to operate a power supply in a single phase, then you can loop this phase with the heavy phase, and if you don't want to connect in the same phase, like if you want an inverter connection and or the DG connection, then you can use the separate phase here. So looping here means you are connecting in a same phase. So once the phase wire is done, then you need to connect all the load wire, that is the 10 load wire, in the 10 slots. And make sure while connecting you turn off the MCB. The main power should be off, and you need to connect all the loads in the designated place. Like if you want to connect the first switch with some particular appliance, then that load wire should be in the first place only. So similarly you need to connect all these wires, and if any heavy load wire